Hey guys, welcome to a new video. A quick update here on Bitcoin, the Bitcoin chart. What I have here right now is the Bitcoin versus US dollar one-day candles from Bitfinex. I'm going to speculate here that I think this is going to go up to around 4,000 and then it's going to crash again. I think by probability, this is the most likely scenario. I would be very, very cautious on Bitcoin. I said it on the video yesterday. If you're trading the volatility, then that's fine. But at least that's what I do. If I am in front of the screen where I can buy and sell right there, I do it. But if not, I stay away from these parts. Personally, I bought actually at 3,000 a little bit, and I sold at 3,500. So yeah, I kind of missed the 3,750, and I actually think it's gonna go to 4, but I don't really care. I'm not gonna risk it anymore. The only reason I did it is because I was actually in front of the screen, and I just bought and sold it at 3,500. Period. I'm out of here. Now I wanna say again, though I said this before. There's also the probability that it's going to bounce and break all-time highs, since we had this breakout here after the 3,000s. It's like a setup for, to go and make mega highs now, because if this is just a standard consolidation, this could be like, okay, let me go to the weekly and hide these lines. So this crash here, this correction could be like a correction here in the beginning of a bubble, like the first stage of the bubble. It could be from a technical point of view, but it's not clear either. Like, there's a lot of mixed signals. We're having a lot of volume. If we look at the weekly, we have a lot of red volume, and the RSI is downtrending. So according to these two indicators, we should be going down for a couple more weeks, or we should have a bear market a little bit longer. If we look at the daily, yeah, we're still downtrending. So we had this huge spike of green volume here. By the way, I was watching a video just half an hour ago from the channel The Crypto Sniper, and I heard he said that a single buyer bought at the level of 3,000. One single buyer bought, like, I can't even remember the exact number of Bitcoins, but like a lot. It caused this pump, like one single buyer. And then, of course, when big institutions or whales buy this aggressive, this causes FOMO in the space. This is just how markets work. Every time big institutions do this, like for example here, when they start buying slowly, so people don't know, and then when they start to buy more aggressively is when they attract the general public's attention, and then people start buying out of FOMO. So if one single buyer bought here at 3,000, bought that much, that caused the price to pump that much, and then people started to buy out of FOMO, that's not very good news in my view, because if a single person can cause this pump up, the same person can cause a crash at the same level, if they sell all together, and then they're going to cause panic in the space, and people is going to start panic selling. So it's not very good news that one single buyer caused most of this green volume here. I wouldn't say that's a very good news. And talking about news, I attended this seminar that I was talking about last week. They were talking about laws and regulations, how they are going to approach regulations for ICOs and cryptocurrencies in general here in New Zealand. They're going to be following whatever Australia does, but they speculated about the Chinese bans and the Chinese regulations. They were speculating that the Chinese government is actually working on creating their own cryptocurrency, and they will make illegal any other cryptocurrency that it's not government issued. So yes, they were, of course, this is not official from the government. These people that were giving the talk there in the seminar, they are lawyers and they specialize in financial laws and regulations and all that. So they're not officials from the government, but they are experts in this matter. So I take it serious, but it's not 100% sure. But their speculation was that, this approach from China is because they think they are going to be, working on creating their own government cryptocurrency, and they will make illegal any other cryptocurrencies that are not government issued, and this includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the rest. So, that was the news. But I think I'm gonna leave it here. So I expect, this is my speculation for the short term, for the next 2-3 days. I think it's gonna bounce to somewhere in 4,000, and then it's gonna go back down. I don't know how low. Probably it could bounce again at the 3,000 level and go up. I'm not sure, but this doesn't look very clear to me that it's going to go from here and break the all-time highs. Although of course it's possible, but I think by probability, I think it's gonna bounce here, hit this resistance, this downtrending resistance here, which will be at the same level more or less with the moving average, and then from here it will go down. So it would be a lower high again. So we haven't made a higher high yet or a higher low, so we are still downtrending. So there is no reason for me to think this is going to change until it's changed. So trends can finish and reverse at any time, but until they do, by probability, you should not go against the trend. You should always go with the trend. And the trend right now is downtrending. So that's my take for Bitcoin. I'll leave it here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.